Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You finished welding and the arc is cooled. Start now. First, set the helmet face up on a stable surface so controls are visible, and make sure you're not in an active welding area. Once done, locate the power button and any external battery or adapter. Make sure your hands are steady. Press and hold the power button for the model's required time, usually 2 to 5 seconds, to initiate shutdown. You're preventing accidental activation and protecting the auto-darkening sensors as you move to the next step. Now you'll complete the mechanical power disconnection. After the screen goes dark, make sure the helmet's indicator LEDs are off. If they linger, press the power button again briefly. Next, unplug any external power adapter and then unclip or slide out the battery pack following its latch. Once removed, check terminals for corrosion and wipe sensor lenses gently. This ensures reliable off-state and prevents false triggers. If your unit has a manual switch inside the battery compartment, flip it to off to isolate the circuit. Finish by securing the helmet for storage and verifying it won't power back on. Place it in a dry, padded case, away from direct sunlight and chemicals, and reattach any protective cover over the lens. If you plan long-term storage, remove batteries or set the internal power switch to off. One key troubleshooting tip: if the helmet fails to turn off, remove the battery for 10 to 30 seconds to force a hardware reset, then reinsert and try a normal shutdown. If it still misbehaves, consult the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.